Hey everybody, this is going to be a little short, sort of an update video, kind of bring you up to speed on some of the things that I'm working on and planning here over the next month or two. Um, I hope everybody's been watching my solo motorcycle camping for 7 days series. I think we're through about 9 parts right now, or 10 parts. We got one or two more left that'll be getting released this week. And I sure hope you're enjoying that series. I certainly enjoyed making it. But I wanted to kind of bring everybody up to date on what I'm going to be doing here in the near future. Obviously, it has reached winter time, even in the southeast here, so it's a little cold for traveling around northbound for a guy that takes blood thinners. I do plan on making a Key West trip down to Florida, so that's going to involve a couple of weeks. But it'll be a little less motorcycle travel over the next couple of months, and until I get ready to do my around the country tour, which is going to be in spring of 2024. Next April, I'm going to leave out and do about a 30-state trip around the country, and I'm hoping that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure it will be. It'll probably be the last time that I'll be able to do something like that in my lifetime. So it's a pretty special event for me, and I'm going to try to showcase as much as I can, visit a lot of places, do a lot of history, things like that. So I sure hope y'all will tune in for that in the spring of 2024. But right now, I'm probably going to adjust the content of the show for the next month or two on through January. I'll probably be doing a lot more home edition recipes here cooked at home. And I have been getting a lot of requests to do product reviews. As you can see, I got boxes sitting around everywhere of things that I've been sent to do reviews on. I'm trying to stay to the kind of products and devices that my audience would like to see reviewed. People who have an interest in power stations. But I'll be doing things like even a water filtration system. I've got one of those I'm going to do, air inflator system that's really cool. When that video comes up, y'all should keep an eye out for that, the bikers especially, because this thing is really neat. Small batteries. I'm going to be doing just a lot of different product reviews. I'm also going to do a video on how to set up a small motorcycle trailer, whereas I'm going to redo the Power Wagon and set it up again with another solar system, since I moved a lot of those things to the new bunkhouse trailer. And so stay tuned, and if you're interested in these products, naturally, as each one showcases, I'll put the links and any promo codes that might be associated in the product description or in the video description box, so you can gain access to having good deals on them, since it is the Christmas season. Also, my shop page is live, where you can go down there and click on shop. That's over by the closed caption button and all that on the video, and there's some pretty good deals on there. It's stuff on Lenovo computers and Logitech. A lot of the lighted keyboards and stuff like that I noticed was on there the other day, and it looked to me like pretty good deals, but y'all should just go there and assess that for yourself. Being the Christmas season, they have lowered some of the prices on some of the stuff. So, you should check that out. If anything, it creates traffic and makes it look like I'm doing my thing right. And maybe the algorithm will be nice to me because of that. But I sure appreciate y'all watching the channel. I wish everybody a happy holiday season. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot more home edition recipes. Everything from how to make basic cornbread to my secret recipe of panklets. A panklet is a sort of a hybrid between an omelet, a crepe, and a pancake. But anyway, again, thanks a lot for staying tuned into the channel. I really appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done that, and set that notification button on so you'll know when my videos are coming out. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.